Want to switch account using Facebook account in Mobile Legends but don't know how? Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps on how to switch account using Facebook account in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, your Facebook account should be connected to Mobile Legends. Then, tap on your profile in the top left corner of your screen. Then, from the options on the left side, tap on Account. Now choose Switch Account on the right side of your screen. Then tap on Facebook account. Tap on Send Verification Code. This verification code will be sent to your email ID which is connected to your Mobile Legends account. Now check your email ID and enter the verification code that has been sent to you. After you have entered the verification code, tap on Next button. Then tap on OK button. Again tap on OK button and restart the game. And that's how you can switch account using Facebook account in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.